Today is September 11th, 2019, and we're at the Giovanni Agnelli Maserati assembly plant on the outskirts of Turin, Italy, in the town of Gugliasco, off Corso Alamano. Let's just go in here and have a look at their showroom. So the car guys are here today having a visit to the plant. And as we arrived, they were very kind and had a nice small little buffet here laid out for us, including coffee and waters and sweets. And it's a beautiful facility, absolutely state-of-the-art. You can see all the graphics and photos on the walls. And we'll walk down the blue carpet here. And the first car we come to is a Quattroporte, which is manufactured here. They manufacture the Quattroporte and the Ghibli. And here is the very first one off the assembly line. It's the body shell of the first Quattroporte. And I think built in 2013, I believe. And everybody that worked on the assembly line has signed the car. It's kind of a historic moment. This particular plant gets extremely high ratings in production. It's a lovely Ghibli, which is a smaller version of the Quattroporte, but certainly no less prestigious. Beautiful car. Over here's a one-off that did not go into production. And the group had a very nice presentation right over here. Really a nice showroom. This is Frank Mandarino from Gugliasco at the Maserati Quattroporte plant saying ciao.